sharing with you a few of my precious spiritual cubism abstracts of the year 2002. That was the time where I had spent a lot of inner reflection time, me time, alone time. It was here that it all began with cubism. These are a few of small-sized oil paintings done in the year 2002. Windows of the Soul oil painting series. They are each 12.5 by 16 inches. Oil on canvas, giving you a closer look of these spiritual cubism abstract paintings that I have painted in year 2002. They were a reflection of my inner dreams, my wishes. And though my space was a limited one, that was not much with natural light, it was dark. We even had to put on lights during the day in our home. But that was a major step in the progress, the beginning and unfurling of my art. The paintings now in December year 2019 are still in very good condition. They have been stored carefully. They absolutely have bright colors. Each painting is signed by me and numbered. A reflective series, Windows of the Soul. Most of my dreams that I painted have come true. I had painted obsessively many canvases on the same subject, so I have kept a few now. Most of my old paintings have been either torn and burnt or repainted or recycled or upcycled. There are few of the precious cubism paintings that are still intact and are in very good condition. Repainted this old canvas in 2010. Row houses. This is another 2002 figurative abstract which I have saved till date. December 2019 now, when as I am recording, these paintings are in a very good condition and they are available on my website www.razarts.com. For buying the complete series, you can make an offer. I would be very happy to see them framed and hanging in your space. Thank you so much for coming by my YouTube channel, The Red Pilgrim. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for coming by. This is your Red Pilgrim wishing you a very, very happy new year and a great life ahead. Bye-bye. Take care.